Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the stickers and not animated or not moving issue on Discord, for example, in your own Discord server. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that example server here in that text channel, and let me just send a sticker. You can already see by that sticker that they're not moving. So let me click into them again and select this one here, for example, or that sticker here. I can't use that one, so let me go with this one again. And as you can see, currently they are not animated. So let me show you how I can fix this. What you will need to do, guys, is access your chat settings here for your Discord account. To do that, click into user settings, navigate to chat, or even better to accessibility here. And after that, navigate here to the sticker section. This controls when stickers animate, and simply make sure that you switch from never animate. For example, if you accidentally did that, switch to always animate here, and that should fix the issue. So let me return to the previous menu, and there you go. Now these birds stickers here are dancing and singing, as you can see. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.